Welcome to the Reliance Home Comfort how-to video series. My name is Dean Murray. Today we're going to talk about what to do if your water heater leaks. Let's get started. Generally, there are two places where your water heater may leak. The first place would be on a pipe which would be running along the side, and you may start to see a puddle being created along the basement floor. The second place it could leak is right at the bottom of the tank. This indicates a structural problem, whereas with the overflow tube, or that tube running along the side of the tank, is an operational problem. In both cases, you should be calling your local service provider immediately. Once you've established the tank is leaking, the first thing you'd want to do is shut off your gas. The second thing you'd want to do is establish where's the cold water pipe in the water heater and follow that to where you might find a valve and shut off that valve to stop the flow of water to the tank. Again, make sure you call your service provider once you've shut off the gas and shut off the cold water to the tank. In some cases, the cold water valve is close to the tank. In this case, it's fairly far from the tank.